One of the most efficient settings you can change if you are a multilingual is to add another language to Windows 10. Even change the entire interface to that language. Let's do this by clicking Start, Settings, Time and Language, and then clicking Language. Next, click Add Language here and choose your language from the list. This list is really long. Start typing the language name to find it quickly. Let's install French and see how it looks like. If you check this option, Windows interface will change to this language. Let's do this. Check it, or not, and click Install. It'll take a moment to download and install. Once the installation is complete, Windows will ask you to sign out. Click Yes to sign out. OMG, it's not accepting my password. Well, obviously, because French is now my default language. You can see it here. Let's try again, in English this time. To change between languages, click Alt plus Shift. And we're in. Okay, so now, before you say anything, no, it's not a bug, it's a feature. The search bar language changes once you click Start. Anyway, you can see that the main language of Windows is now French. By the way, if you choose to install a right-to-left language, the Start will be in the bottom right corner and all the menus will be right to left. Here, you can see the language change when I use the on-screen keyboard. All the options and text in the settings are now in French, which leads me to my next problem. Since I don't read French, how do I change it back? I guess this looks similar to the word language. Let's click it, and here it is again. Let's move it up and see what happens. Nothing visual except it being now the first. I would guess that this button will remove it. After the language removal and signing out, the Windows language is still French. So let's go back to the settings, change this to English and sign out. Here on the login screen, you can see that I don't have the language option because Windows only has one language installed. After signing in, Windows is now in English. You can use this method to install more than 2 languages. Remember, use Alt plus Shift to move between them in order. That's it for this video. The video is now ending. You can go now. Are you still here? Well, if you are, then you have to subscribe and click the like if you liked it. Just kidding. You have to click the like anyway, even if you hated it. Also, if you click the bell icon, YouTube will let you know next time I publish an amazing video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.